Hello, my friend, and welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. Today's lesson is all about improving your pronunciation so you can speak English more clearly and confidently. Many learners know English words, but they don't know how to pronounce them correctly. This creates fear, hesitation, and low confidence. But don't worry. With simple daily practice, pronunciation becomes easy. Let's start with a simple idea. Good pronunciation is not about sounding perfect. It's about speaking clearly so people understand you. Small improvements every day make a big difference. Just listen, repeat, and relax. Now let's practice slow, clear English sounds. Repeat after me. Think, thank you. 3. Red, right, really. L, like, look, long. Very, voice, video. W, water, walk, work. Speak slowly. Don't rush. When you speak slowly, your pronunciation becomes stronger. Now let's practice real sentences. Repeat after me. I want to speak clearly. My English is improving every day. I am not afraid to practice. I can pronounce difficult words. I speak with confidence. Slow is smooth, and smooth becomes fast. Now imagine a simple conversation. Listen first, then repeat. Hi, how are you? I'm good. I'm learning English every day. Your English sounds clear. Thank you. I'm practicing my pronunciation. That's great. Keep going. Simple conversations like these build natural rhythm in your voice. Pronunciation improves with 3 habits. Listen more, speak slowly, practice daily. That's it. You don't need big grammar. You don't need perfect words. You just need small, daily practice. Now let's end with confidence sentences. Repeat after me. I speak clearly. I speak confidently. I pronounce words correctly. I am improving every day. My English voice is strong. I believe in myself. Great job today. Thank you for learning with 24/7 Talk English. Remember, a clear voice is a confident voice. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next episode.